In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a make a folder on your Mac on desktop. So to do that, first double click on the desktop. Next, you will get the option New Folder. Then a new folder will appear. So now if you want to rename the folder, you could just double click on it and then you will get these options. Then you have to go on rename. Then you can rename it by typing your new name. So this is how you can rename it. If you want to keep it somewhere else, you could just drag it and keep it, but it will not allow you until you have used the use tags option. Then if you want to close it, just directly click on it. It will unjumble your all things. So if you want to clean up again, you have two options: clean up, sort, clean up and clean up by. So you in clean up, if you click it, then it will just move some folders. But if you go to cleanup by, you could just go in which type of cleanups, in size, tags, data created, date modified, kind and name. So better choose the name, so it would be better. So and then it will clean up it. By it is not like spilled everywhere, one document here, there and here. So this is how you can create a new folder, clean up it and do sorts of things with your folders. Okay, thanks for watching this video guys. If you have reached till here, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.